know I'm gonna chemist. You know she got plenty food for me to eat.
Mommy, will you make it again?
So I wasn't gonna cook today, but I got hungry. And when I get hungry, the girl gets crazy. So in this bowl, I have some clean cut chicken. I'm about to season this things up. You know why? Because we about to make honey curry fried chicken wings. Wait on it. Wait on it. So first I'm gonna season this up. Now this is a 1 portion, kinda. It's like a 10 piece. Okay, so we're not finna be too crazy with the seasonings. You know I gotta do my Badia complete. I put this thing on everything. Some garlic powder. Cause also gonna make a sauce. So some onion powder. Some smoked paprika. Yes, I got the big one. You in my business? Yeah, don't do that. Okay. Then some fresh cracked sea salt. Just a little bit. Where's my black pepper at? Some black pepper. Yeah, I said pepper. Okay. And I cannot forget the curry powder. Beta pack. If you know, you know. I probably said that wrong too. Beta pack, Buddha pack. I don't know. Just a little bit. There we go. Toss all this up. I don't know why I'm being funny because I know how to use my hands. And I am. So I'm going to season this up. And if you can't smell the seasoning, baby, it ain't seasoned. I don't know heard. Okay. Look at that. Does that look pretty? Then we're going to add some buttermilk. Just enough to cover the chicken wings. And then we're going to let it sit, y'all. I know that's the worst part, letting it sit. But as long as you possibly can to let it marinate. Now, I'm hungry, so mine might not sit that long. But y'all let y'all sit, okay? Whoop. All right. It's only right that chicken wings have a sauce, right? Let's make a sauce real quick. I'm going to get some mayo. No, I don't want to hear nothing about y'all not liking white sauce mayo. Try it. Some mayo. Then we're going to do equal parts of sour cream. Now, mind you, I'm not measuring. So don't y'all be hollering at me for no recipe. I can try. Then we're going to add some of my homemade ranch powder seasoning. And I'm extra. We're going to add some buttermilk. That makes it creamy, y'all. And then some of this Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. Let's see how all of this is gonna mesh up. And then you just stir it. And you adjust. Ooh, child. Ooh, it's gonna smell good. Get some more ranch seasoning. Get this chicken floured up. Now you let it sit for a while, right? Right. So the same seasonings that I use for the chicken, the same seasonings and the flour. I didn't do cornstarch this time, but you can do cornstarch if you want to. I said it was a 10 piece, but now it's kind of looking like 12, 15 piece. I'm gonna eat it though. I'm lying. I'm not gonna eat it all. But I'll have some leftovers. Ain't nothing wrong with a little leftover fried chicken. Okay? Okay. Now shake it up and let's put it in the fryer. Now we're gonna go ahead and drop that chicken. If it ain't sizzling like that, it ain't hot enough. Okay? Alright. Make sure you don't overcrowd it. Leave some space in between some of that chicken. I'm kind of deep frying it, kind of not. And just get that chicken nice and golden brown. And once it's done, we're gonna start on the sauce. Now here, I have some melted butter. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic powder to it. I'm gonna add some of this curry seasoning to it. And then just a little pinch of salt. And then I'm gonna add my honey. And I think that's gonna take it off right there. Come on, honey. Okay. Now I'm just gonna stir it. So get this sauce ready, you know what I'm saying, while my chicken's over there chickening. Oh man, this is good. Yeah. Get the sauce ready. Once I taste test it, then I'm gonna coat it on my chicken and I'm gonna let y'all see the end result. And that is it. I paired it with some homemade stovetop mac and cheese and some cabbage. Take on my ranch. We're about to dig in. Now I done said my grace. It's time to eat. I'm gonna try some of this mac and cheese first. All right, cabbage. All right. I'll go ahead and dip it in the ranch. Man, I done did something right here. I might have to actually make a recipe for this shit. I mean, this stuff. I'm glad. All right, bye.